Tri-City local music. Less chatter, more of what matters. Saturday, January 16th at 9 p.m. Capone's welcomes Presence, Elysium, and Divided We Stand. This is an 18-plus show. ID is required. Admission is just $5. Sports Bar presents Captain Alliance and Bent to Break. Saturday, January 16th at 9 p.m. Come out and enjoy a night of great rock music. That's 11 Sports Bar, Captain Alliance with Bent to Break. Admission is $5. Must be 21. Brought to you in part by Tri-City Local Music and East Tennessee Entertainment. And now, here's Tri-City Local Music's Double Swap.
questions and confessions. I need to gain peace of mind. Time is fading as I'm waiting on answers I can't seem to find. I am overwhelmed. Can I endure this hell? I'm trapped in darkness and there's no way to break the spell. I'll spill my heart again before I say amen. So will you please reach out to me? I've lost the will to fight alone. I wonder if you hear me. Please give me a sign. Dear God, I'm empty inside. I need the strength to carry on. It seems as if you're leaving me behind. Dear God, just help me to survive. Contemplation, aggravation. My thoughts just continue to race. It's a cycle which is spiteful. My failures all laugh in my face. I look to the sky and often wonder why I'm close to dying and you seem to be just standing by. I'm starving for some truth. I'm calling out to you. So will this prayer be my breakthrough? I've lost the will to fight alone. I wonder if you hear me. Please give me a sign. Dear God, I'm empty inside. I need the strength to carry on. It seems as if you're leaving me behind. Dear God, just help me to survive. So where are you right now? 'Cause I'm drowning in this silence. Will you rescue me somehow? Or do you even care at all? 'Cause my world has turned to gray and a hope has worn away. So with this dying breath I feel there's only one thing left to say. I've lost the will to fight alone. I wonder if you hear me. Please give me a sign. Dear God, I'm empty inside. I need the strength to carry on. It seems as if you're leaving me behind. Dear God, just help me to survive.
Greenville VFW welcomes back Wildman Peebo Wilson Saturday, February 20th at 9 p.m. Brown bagging is encouraged, but the VFW asks that you buy their mixers. That's Saturday, February 20th at 9 p.m. Greenville VFW. Must be 21 and ID is required. Admission is just $5. Brought to you by Tri-City Local Music.